I'm Jasmine, and typically I do reviews on products that are sent to me by sellers or that I have bought. Since next week is Christmas, we're gonna make some ornaments together. So what you're gonna need are these wood rounds that you can get at Michael's. You can also get them on Amazon, but I don't think they have these little ropes on them. But either way, you can drill a hole in them and add your own little string. If you don't like the ropes, you can also change them out for ribbon. Mine came in a box of 5, and I did some other ornament ideas with them. Then you're gonna need Mod Podge, paintbrush, scissors, and pictures of your family. This is not my family, I'm actually gifting these. And then I have one for my friends, my sister, and then my family, but I don't put my kids on the internet. So we're just gonna cut out those pictures. This is like a 3x4 or something like that. Look at that Highland cow. His name is Ben. He's adorable. Then we're gonna take Mod Podge, shake it up. Maybe we're gonna make these. There we go. Take your paintbrush and let's figure out which round this fits on the best. So the whole picture doesn't have to fit, just the main like part of Ben and the family. Okay, I like this one. And I'm just gonna draw around the sides here so I can see where to cut. There you go. And then I'm gonna cut just on the inside of that. It's a little bit smaller than what I drew. I do photography recreationally, so I took these photos. These aren't the best prints because the thinner they are, the better they are for this project. So this is just printed on regular paper with my printer. It's okay if it looks a little dull. The goal of these is to kind of have like a vintage feel to them. So we're gonna take the wood round and just paint Mod Podge on it. It dries clear. And then I like to paint it on the back of the picture as well, really thin like. And then you just stick it on however you like it. There, it's on there. Now you could leave it like this, but I Mod Podge over it. It kind of distorts the picture a little bit. You don't want to drag it around too much. Because it will move the color around. The pictures will also bubble if you put too much, if it gets too wet. So I just put it on lightly. This is already starting to bubble a little bit. But it should dry pretty straight. But here's what it looks like. And then as it dries, it'll get more clear. I'll show it to you when it's done. Then we're gonna move on to the next one. I make these every year for myself. Then I do Christmas baking for my friend, and I'm just gonna throw in this little extra ornament. And my sister saw mine and wanted one, so she's getting one too. These are super cute little gifts, personalized, especially for someone you wouldn't normally buy for. It's just something special. My love language is actually acts of service and gift giving, and I would love this. It's so easy and inexpensive. No matter who you gift it to, they're gonna love it. This could also be a great grandparent gift though. Anyways, I'll get these done and then I will show you the end result. All right, those are all done. While those dry, let me show you some more ornament ideas with these wood rounds. You can do so much with these, especially if you have kiddos. These are the little fingerprint snowmen that I made. One of these is for my mom and one is for my mother-in-law. I have 2 kids, so I just put them both on one ornament. The other thing I did is the Christmas light strings. This is super popular in different variations right now. My kids chose to just do 2 colors. So one of my kiddos did the green fingerprints and one of them did the orange. I love these. These are adorable. Grandparents are gonna love them. I love them for my tree. I'm also the mom that cannot wait for my tree to be filled with homemade ornaments. So we do this kind of thing every year. All right, these are all dry now. This is what they look like. So cute. They don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be professional photos. On the Christmas tree, they look great. I'm actually gonna text one of my other friends and ask her if she has a Christmassy picture of her kiddos to put on this last one. Here is mine. You can see me and my husband there. So cute. Look at Ben. Anyways, people love these. They make great little gifts. Throw them in with a gift card or some cookies and your friends are gonna appreciate them so much. So yeah, that's my Christmas craft. I will put all the materials I used below, but you can also get them all at Michael's, Joann's, maybe even at Walmart. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, and don't forget to subscribe.